Alright, folks. Tmaxx 3 here. We're gonna maybe water, maybe not. I don't know. We're gonna see about tightening this here what you call that thing? The spur. I mean the slipper gear. We're gonna try to tighten the slipper tonight into some of them newfangled tools. These are badass old school, I don't know, antique cars that I'm gonna redo. These are hand casted over a mold of clay, and then the steel or aluminum was melted and poured over the top of it. These are all original hand done, number 221, 1909. Hupmobile, hand casted, original by Midwest Products Company. I'm gonna look that up, number 221. I actually have this Buick. It's actually number 20. A 1910 Buick number 20. Whoa, look at me tearing stuff up. Yeah, they need paint, but anyway. I'm gonna look that up and see what kind of value they have, man. If anybody knows this stuff, shoot me a like, and you know, let's talk about it, man. Shoot me something in the comments. Let me know about them things. I want to know about them. I want to know about them things. All right, let's move on here. Let's do this gear. Pull it closer, right? My brake is on like a champ. There we go. What's up, folks? We are going to go ahead and get into this the best I think that I can. I've seen a couple videos. Let's get on it and see what we get. Mind to mess with you. The shop, you know, just getting it started here. Finally able to work outside of the shop for a change. Yeah, let me grab a tool right quick. I was gonna, tomorrow I'm gonna do a video on, I'll put a link, not a link, but a little thing in the comment description tomorrow, and I'm gonna do a post. We'll do a video on converting this car charger 12 volt deal to a universal home plug charger so that you can do your batteries on a home plug if you want. Stay tuned for that video. Shout outs to my people, all my subscribers. I think I have 8 now. We'll put your names up here right about now. Once again, peace out to all my subscribers. Appreciate y'all. Spread the word. The channel's brand new. I'm just trying to do good content, man. Yeah. Good content. That's how we do. Alright, zip that up. We got a couple of Allen wrenches here. I don't know if they're going to work. We're going to find out, though, if they are. Tmaxx tools. So, you know, hey. The Tmaxx tools, they must be where it's at. We got an Allen wrench, a weird thing. Screw for the thing, and a wrench for the thing. Let's try this. Oh, I did not know about that. And that is a hard place to get into there. Really hard. I really need some light. I can't tell. It's probably this one. Oh, that is too loose. Gotta be the other one. Well, that's it. So I'm going to tighten. And I'm going to loosen. This one's got a damn chunk missing out of it. Oh, it's really tight. It feels pretty tight. Tighter than yesterday. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to pause it and see what it do. Yeah, that clutch slipped. She's slipping still. I really need someone to show me how to do this. I'm scared to tear the whole transmission out, but I might have to do that. I'm not sure. Alright, we're gonna pause it. Put that right back in so I don't lose that. Put some grease on that. Shoot. That on a man, that freed that up a little bit. Front. This is the front. Rear. Front, rear. Let go of that. Okay, nothing to be on there. Oh, what do we got here? Nope. Yep. Let's see. No. There you go. Oh, there we go. See my little foot backward. See my little foot backward. Oh, wow. It's around the edge. That's crazy. Pressure right there. There's 6 bolts. Oh, solid transmission. Excuse me. 8 bolts. Okay, let me. 8 bolts. Shoot. Well, she's already flopping around, folks. That's good. We can change that clutch tonight, maybe. Oh, I see sediment all around here from burnt up clutch pieces. It looks like this front screw is missing, whereas I had 4 on this side. I'm already down to 3. Transmission just fell out. Alright, let's count the screws. Oops, there goes the light. Boom! Blinded. Oh. Alright. Here we go. Carefully place the transmission over here. We're going to dump the bolts out. 1. Well, I literally lost a bolt. Ain't that something? Well, we're down to 7, folks. 7 bolts. Does anybody know, does it only come with 7? Or should it have 8? I'm gonna say it should have 8. Anyway, here's my transmission, folks. I've never really looked at one in depth. Hopefully my big head ain't in the way. But anyways, I got my slipper here. I actually ordered a replacement triangle aluminum piece that you put it in here. It bolts the 3 bolts and then just bolts on the shaft. It makes it one solid unit. It replaces this slipper. So you have no slipping. It's just 100% raw dog power. I think I'm gonna do that. Let's check my brakes. Got a little corrosion there on the old brake pad, don't we? I mean the rotor, excuse me. Yep. A little old. But will she be gripping though? Real brake pads, folks. Real brake pads and rotors. She grips good. I don't know what that is. I'll probably sand that off with a grinder. A little rust from sitting them 3 weeks or from the snow. I believe the blue port here is the 2-speed adjuster. If not, this is the 2-speed adjustment. Not that. It's inside of here. Yeah. Apparently you're gonna roll this around. GC key. Which I'm not seeing. Hold it in the light. Oh, I see, but the key isn't there. Check it. Oh, there it is. That's right, on my guy. Okay. Yep, you gotta put that one right there. And then down. I'm gonna only mess with shit right now. I don't know. There it is. Got my bearings as well. Pause this. Well, let's worry about that right now. Let's get the clutch fixed. So, we gotta get this guy off first. My little clutch wrench. Oh wow, she was really loose. That might have been the whole problem. Well, these are spacers, looks like. Oh, ha! Yeah, that's toast. I mean, I could put it back on, I guess. Yeah. I mean, They're gonna fall off. They're just pads. Okay. How the fuck does this even work? Do we put 2 rings in it? Or is this stay out? Yeah. We're gonna take this here, we're gonna scuff it up a little bit. It's got some wear rings on the side. On this side. Come on. There we go. Look at that when you push the focus button. It's amazing. This one's got some wear rings on it, you can see. This side is not. We're gonna scuff it up real cross-like, and then we'll show you how it's done after that. Okay. Always wear safety glasses, folks. Safety glasses. Got my guard. Good. I'm just gonna cross it up. Don't too much. You don't need some marking there. I'm just lighting the string on this. This is the 60 ring wheel. Cross action movement. Don't do that. Nah. Hold on to it, Davis. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's bad, but, you know, we're going to see what I can do with it. I mean, those look pretty damn tight. I don't know. I'm putting these washers to oppose each other, which will give it a lot more tightness on that shaft. Alright, let's see what we get. Now that's just snug, okay? But it is tight. Oh wow, that is tight. Wow, that really grabbed. Damn. Damn. She is super tight. We might let that ride. Shoot. Damn. That is tight, buddy. I mean, that... She would not let go. I mean, that's tight as hell. Dude. That's pretty tight. We're just gonna go one more little quarter turn. Yeah, I feel like I'll break a gear. That's pretty good. Whoa. I'm just gonna break the phone. I'm gonna break the phone. I think I'm good there. What I did was I locked this Allen key in here to hold the brake, to hold the gears so that I could test whether it was gonna slip. And I mean, you can see it is just really, I could pop that gear if I wanted to. It would probably slip before that happened, but I'm just adjusted a nudge. And you can see it really just grabbing there. I've just got it to slip. That's pretty tight. I think for a repair job that was pretty good. I haven't had to spend any money. Just a little know-how. Yeah, but I do have a bonus. Yeah, so I do have a replacement set, brand new. I just wanted to hold on to this and see what I could do with the old one that I pretty much thought I burned up. We're going to see how it performs after the repairs, modifications, custom redneck modifications, you heard? Testing. That's going to do it for today's video, tonight's video. Successful repair and put together of the slipper clutch, removed the transmission, whatnot. We did not have to use a brand new one. So anyway, we're going to finish putting all the bolts and stuff back in it the way it's supposed to be. Put the covers back on and we'll test this bad boy tomorrow. See if she actually slips or if it's going to pull through in the thick grass and dirt and just tear it up. Alright, we'll see you. That's going to be it for today. Shout outs to all my subscribers. I love y'all. Keep commenting. I appreciate every one of you. Green Tips, Scooby-Doo, Greg, Russell. My sister, I can't forget you. I love you. My brother-in-law, shout outs to him. He's my cameraman most of the time. But when I do stuff like this, Well, he's up in his house, you know, that way. Up the road through the woods to my brother-in-law's house we go. The list goes on and on. You guys keep hitting me up, man. Talk to you. Peace out.